Mulliken scale of electronegativity. So to calculate the values of electronegativity in Mulliken scale, we must know the value of first ionization energy and the first electron affinity. So, Mulliken scale in electron volt, meaning if you want to get the electronegativity value in Mulliken scale, provided the value of ionization energy and electron affinity will be in electron volt. Electron volt is a unit. Then it is found that electronegativity is the average of, it's the average of um, ionization energy and electron affinity. Therefore, electronegativity for a given element will be equal to its first ionization energy plus first electron affinity by 2. Whatever the resultant value which you get, that will be in Mulliken scale. It will be in Mulliken scale. And at this point, we have already learned that Mulliken scale value will be, it is found to be 2.8 times higher than that of the Pauling scale. Therefore, electronegativity in Mulliken scale will be 2.8 times will be in Pauling scale. Pauling scale. Now, there are three more formulas are given here. Look at this. If you want to calculate the electronegativity values in Pauling scale, using Pauling scale, using ionization energy, its first ionization energy and electron affinity. See, whatever the formula which we learned previously, that will give you electronegativity values in Mulliken scale. That's fine. But using the same ionization energy and electron affinity value, if at all you want to get it in Pauling scale, if you want to get the value in Pauling scale, then the formula will be slightly different. What's the formula? Electronegativity is equal to uh, ionization energy plus electron affinity divided by 5.6. Now, how did they get this 5.6? This is nothing but it's a constant which is introduced in order to balance this, in order to get the correct value in Pauling scale. Correct value in Pauling scale. Therefore, that is a conversion factor. Actually, it's something like 2 into 2.8. Anyway, you know that for Mulliken scale, it's the average. That is IE1 plus EA1 by 2 was already there. So apart from this, this will give you in Mulliken scale. If I want to get the same thing in Pauling scale, I have to multiply by 2.8. 2.8 is a conversion factor for electron volt. Similarly, if at all the energy values are in kilojoules per mole, then it is not 2.8 times. It is much more higher. Then the conversion factor is found to be 544. 544. Actually, it is IE1 plus EA1. IE1 plus EA1 divided by 2. Actually, even this is also something like this. EA1 plus IE1 divided by 2 into 272. So this is a conversion factor in kilojoules per mole. Similarly, if you want to, if the energy values are in kilocalories per mole, then electronegativity value will be same way IE1 plus EA1 divided by 125. Actually, this is like IE1 plus EA1 divided by 2 into 62.5. 62.5. So, this is the conversion factor. Therefore, the previous formula for Mulliken scale, if you are using electron affinity and ionization energy in order to calculate the electronegativity values in Pauling scale having different units, so this is the conversion factor.